In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chop up samples in Soundtrap. By the end, you'll know how to import a sample, slice it with precision, and rearrange it into something fresh, all inside Soundtrap Studio. First, bring your sound in. Open Soundtrap Studio, then add a new track and choose Import File. Select your MP3 or WAV from your computer and drag it onto the timeline so you can see the waveform. If you don't have a sample handy, you can also browse Soundtrap's loop library, which is a great way to find material that's cleared for use and already tempo-friendly. Next, zoom in so your edits are accurate. Use the zoom slider at the bottom of the timeline until you can clearly see individual beats, notes, and the peaks and valleys of the waveform. Getting close like this helps you place your cuts exactly where the sound is stable, which reduces clicks or pops. As you zoom, scrub around with the playhead and listen to where notes start and stop. Those sharp spikes are transients, and they're often the best places to cut. Now it's time to slice. Click to select your audio clip, then choose the scissors or split facet tool. Click right on the timeline at the spots where you want to chop the sample. Make one cut per slice and keep repeating until the larger clip is broken into the smaller moments you want to work with. If you want everything to land perfectly on the beat, turn on snapping to the grid so your splits and moves lock to the bar lines. If you're going for a looser feel, you can cut between the grid lines and place things by ear. With your pieces made, start rearranging. Drag each segment to new positions to build a fresh rhythm or hint at a new melody using the same source material. Try moving a late note earlier to create a pickup, or shuffle the order of a phrase to surprise the listener. You can also copy and paste any segment to repeat it in different spots, which is perfect for building hooks, call and response ideas, or subtle variations across sections. Listen as you go, and if a transition clicks, nudge the cut point slightly until it feels smooth. That's the core workflow. Import, zoom in for detail, split cleanly, and rearrange creatively. Practice a few times with different samples, and you'll get faster at spotting good cut points and designing patterns that groove. Thanks for watching, and have fun chopping in Soundtrap.